Okay, welcome back. We talk about addition and subtraction operators. The next operator on the list is multiplication. Multiplication is a bit different from addition and subtraction. It's because in multiplication, the operand is already known. We don't multiply the sign to determine the operator. The operator is already known, which is the multiplication. So therefore, the purpose of sign multiplication in here is just to assign or allocate a sign for your answer. That's just that. The operator is multiplication. So here are the rules. First, multiply the numbers. Just go ahead and multiply the numbers because the operator is known. Then secondly, multiply the signs of the operands, which are the two numbers, and then the result of the sign multiplication should be assigned to your answer in the third step. Let's look at an example here. Suppose we have minus 2 multiplied by 3. So if you are going to follow the rule step by step, it's going to be first multiply the numbers. We are going there straight to multiply the numbers because the operator is known. That is multiplication. The times is the operator. So 2 multiplied by 3. What do you get? 6. Then multiply the signs. That should be a minus multiplied by plus. Gives us minus. 2 is minus, 3 is plus. Take note here. The sign for 3 is plus, not times. This is the operator. The times is the operator and not the sign of 3. Times is not a sign. It's an operator. Okay, we get a minus. So that means our answer is going to be in the last step. Let's say assign the result of the sign multiplication to your answer. The result of the sign multiplication is a negative, so our answer is going to be minus 6. Okay. Let's look at other examples. The rules of multiplication are pretty straightforward. Now, in this example, minus 2 minus 3. This is the same thing as minus 2 multiplied by minus 3. Take note. Take note. The number 2 is So minus 2 bracket open minus 3 bracket close can be rewritten as minus 2 multiplied by minus 3. The number 2 here immediately follows the bracket. There is no operator between the 2 and the bracket. There is no sign between the 2 and the bracket. The 2 is the number immediately following the bracket. This denotes multiplication. Anytime a number immediately follows a bracket, the operator is a multiplication. For example, let me give you more examples. Four bracket open minus 7 bracket close. This is the same thing as 4 multiplied by minus 7. Minus 3 open bracket 12 bracket close. This is the same thing as minus 3 multiplied by 12. Minus 5 bracket open 6 bracket close. That's minus 5 times 6. In all three examples, you will notice that the numbers immediately precede the brackets. 4 immediately follows the bracket. Minus 3 immediately precedes the bracket. There is no operator between the 3 and the bracket. Minus 5 immediately precedes the bracket. There is no operator between minus 5 and 6. So it is a multiplication. I hope that's understood. Good. Now let's go back and solve our previous example. Minus 2 multiplied by minus 3. Multiply the numbers directly. 2 multiplied by 3 gives you 6. Multiply the signs. Minus times minus. The sign for 2 is minus. The sign for 3 is minus. It gives you a plus. So our answer is going to be 6 or plus 6. Our answer is going to be a plus 6. So now let's look at this. Let's look at another example. 4 multiplied by 5. Oops. So 4 multiplied by 5 minus 2. So we're going to follow the rules like before. We say multiply the numbers. There are 3 numbers here. Doesn't matter. Just multiply them all together. 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 5 is 20. Then 20 times 2 gives you 40. Next we multiply the signs. We have a plus, that's for the number 4. Multiply by another plus for the number 5. Multiply by a minus for the number 2. So plus times plus is a plus. Plus times minus is a minus. There you go. Now your final answer is going to be minus 40. So that's it.